When you think flying, you think planes. But helicopters, they break all the rules. No runway needed. They lift off vertically, hover, even fly backward. Lifesavers in impossible places. True flying marvels. Part machine, part miracle. Flying lifesavers. Used in rescue missions, helicopters reach places no ambulance or airplane can, like mountain cliffs or ocean rescues. Military machines, combat helicopters like the Apache and Black Hawk are equipped with weapons, armor, and tech to survive enemy fire. Insane speed, the fastest helicopter in the world, the Eurocopter X3, reached speeds of over 480 km/h